Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and we're going to show you step by step on how to create a birdcage from scratch and what to consider when building it. Let's get started. When you're creating your birdcage within the software, things to consider is when you drag your bay on is to create the heights you need for this one bay first. What I mean by that, if I add a couple of levels and then I turn off my planks, I don't need planks on that lift, but what I do need is my SG4 handrail. So I'm going to place that in where I need it on this bay alone. So what I'm going to do is turn my handrails back on this one, and on my ground level I'm going to go into more, go into sides, and where I've got my guardrail configuration I'm going to turn off my one, click apply, and then I'm going to do the same in my ground zero because I still need an SG4 in there. So turn that off, click OK, click apply. Now when I go into my model view, turn that off, I've got everything I'm happy with. My legs are alright, I don't need to do anything with my legs. If I did need to change the heights, I just go into my bay details, into verticals, I can change the heights here, which I don't need to do at the minute. So I'm happy with that. Make sure the bay's selected and then I can choose what I need. I'm not worried about bracing at the minute. I can go around what I need to do and then finish off. Obviously using the sizes that you need to do. And in this one, I don't need this board level, and then I go across like that. So for these two in the middle, I don't need any second lift boards. So when I go into my model view, you're going to be like, well, that's not right. There's handrails missing, it just looks a mess. If I highlight everything and then I go rejoin bay, let me just move it, and then into my model view, all my handrails are there now. And obviously because I took my pans away on the second lift for the middle, it places all my handrails in as needed for that gap. I've still got my SG4 handrail all the way through, and this is all because I set my first bay up first on the heights, the handrails I needed, my board lifts, and then all I need to do is say, right, I need bracing on this one, so T and L, click OK, click the corner, same again, click the corners on that one, and then back into my model view, bracing's where I need it, click on my bay, add my ladder in, built-in axe check or ladders, whatever you're wanting to do, choose any settings I need, click apply, click OK, that'll automatically put my ladder access in, which is there for what I need, all the way down to my ground floor, giving me access all the way through, and obviously just tidy up what I need to tidy up, like on this side here, because I made it settings that I don't need anything on that lift. I just need to go in to my lift, add my toe boards in, add my guardrails, and then just tidy up anything I need to tidy up. And that is how we recommend for your bird cages to get everything set up first before you carry on. I hope this helps. If you did like this video, please stay tuned for more to come.